Thinking about buying the 2025 Dacia Duster? Stop! Before you commit, you absolutely must watch this shocking review. We're about to expose the critical problems and hidden truths nobody is telling you. Don't make a costly mistake. Watch this before you sign on the dotted line. Welcome to Supercar, your ultimate destination for unbiased automotive truths. If you're serious about your next car purchase, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. The Dacia Duster 2025 has arrived, promising exceptional value, a bold new design, and impressive capability. It's an attractive package, but for some, the initial excitement is turning into buyer's remorse. Today we're cutting through the hype to bring you a shocking review of the Duster's biggest problems. Shocking Problem 1. The daily tech nightmare and broken promises. You expect modern tech in a 2025 car, but the first shocking problem is the Duster's infotainment system. It's a daily nightmare of glitches and broken promises, making basic functions a frustrating chore. The Duster's modern 10.1-inch central touchscreen is visually appealing, but owners report pervasive issues. The screen frequently freezes, lags, or even blacks out, sometimes requiring you to restart the car just to get it working. The reverse camera might not show an image, and parking sensors can fail unexpectedly. Beyond the screen, crucial tech promises fall short. Audio can blast at full volume on startup, volume control is often rubbish, and the USB media system struggles to display track names. Even basic things like controlling Spotify via Android Auto require the app to be manually open on your phone. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a shocking failure of promised modern tech in a brand new vehicle. Shocking Problem 2. The hybrid powertrain's rough reality and efficiency trap. The Duster hybrid promises smooth efficiency, but, well, prepare for a shocking reality. Its powertrain can be surprisingly rough, with unrefined shifts and engine noise that turn the dream of quiet efficiency into a constant battle. Many buyers opt for the hybrid for its efficiency, but the Duster's powertrain delivers some shocking surprises. The engine can be noisy and coarse when it fires up, sending noticeable vibrations through the cabin. On motorway slip roads, owners report the engine screams like a kookaburra as the automatic gearbox struggles with wide ratios, leading to unrefined, jerky shifts. This lack of smoothness is a major shock. Furthermore, this unrefined behavior can impact efficiency. The engine working harder or the gearbox being less optimized can lead to fuel consumption that doesn't quite meet expectations. If you're expecting a seamless, quiet hybrid experience, the Duster's raw powertrain character is a shocking disappointment. Shocking Problem 3. The hidden costs that will drain your wallet. That attractive price tag hides a shocking truth. The Duster can hit you with unexpected and significant costs, particularly from its electrical system and specialized components. Owners are discovering that the Duster, despite its affordability, can accrue surprising repair bills, sometimes even before reaching 70,000 miles. Electrical system issues are a common culprit, including problems with the start and stop battery. What's shocking is that these specialized batteries are significantly more expensive to replace than standard ones, often costing triple the price, and honestly, they tend to have a shorter lifespan. Beyond the battery, other complex electrical faults like engine management errors or sensor issues can be difficult to diagnose and costly to fix. There are even reports of expensive repairs like turbocharger replacements. The initial savings can quickly be drained by these hidden, unexpected costs, making it a shocking financial trap for unsuspecting buyers. Shocking Problem 4. The unbearable cabin noise and material discomfort. You expect some compromises for the price, but the Duster's shocking problem is the sheer level of unbearable cabin noise and widespread uncomfortable hard plastics that make long drives a chore. The Duster's interior, while rugged, is dominated by hard, unyielding plastics, which contribute to a less refined feel. More critically, the cabin noise is a shocking issue that few prepare for. At highway speeds, reviewers and owners report considerable wind noise, especially around the large door mirrors, and persistent road noise that can make conversations difficult. Some describe it as a constant tap 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 on their eardrums, leading to discomfort and even dizziness after prolonged exposure. This constant assault of noise, combined with unyielding armrests and seats that can be less comfortable on long drives, means that what seems like minor compromises become a shocking source of daily discomfort and fatigue. So, the final, and maybe even the most shocking problem, is the Duster's after-sales service. Owners are reporting a nightmare scenario here. Unhelpful support, super long delays for parts, and honestly, just really frustrating warranty battles. This problem isn't about the car's mechanics directly, but the experience once issues arise. Owners have described customer service as, well, terrible and useless, with significant complaints about needing to, wait months for a part you need. There are documented cases of cars being off the road for over a month due to persistent issues, requiring multiple dealer visits for the same problem. Warranty claims can be disputed, with some owners reporting that mechanical failures were attributed to driver error, leading to denied coverage and, honestly, expensive out-of-pocket repairs. This complete lack of reliable after-sales support turns any potential savings into a shocking long-term burden, leaving owners feeling abandoned and frustrated. The verdict: don't buy until you see this truth. So, there you have them. The 5 shocking problems with the 2025 Dacia Duster. From its daily tech nightmares and rough hybrid powertrain to hidden costs, unbearable cabin noise, and after-sales service nightmares, these are the truths you cannot ignore. The Dacia Duster 2025 offers an undeniably attractive initial price and rugged appeal. But this shocking review exposes the deep-seated issues that demand your attention. Don't let the allure blind you to these critical flaws. What do you think of these shocking problems? Do they change your perspective on the Duster? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more unbiased automotive insights and essential buyer's guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.